In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a purchase order in Zoho Books. By the end of this guide, you'll have a solid grasp on configuring your settings and generating purchase orders with ease. Let's dive in. First things first, we need to make sure the purchase order module is enabled in Zoho Books. This step ensures that the functionality is readily accessible whenever you need it. Begin by navigating to the settings, which you can find by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of your dashboard. Once you're there, look under Preferences and select General. Here, you'll see an option for purchase orders. Make sure to check that box, which will activate this feature for you. After that, don't forget to click Save to ensure your changes are locked in. It's always good practice to confirm everything is saved before moving on. Now that we've got that set up, we're ready to create a purchase order. Head over to the Purchases section found in the main menu, and from there, select Purchase Orders. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a button labeled Plus New. Clicking this will open up a fresh form for your purchase order. Next, fill in the necessary details. Start with the vendor name. Here, choose the vendor for whom you're creating this purchase order. It's essential to have clear communication with your vendors, so make sure this information is correct. Moving down the form, you'll encounter the Deliver To option. Here, you'll decide if this order is for an organization or a specific customer. It's a crucial step because it ensures the items go to the right place. Now, it's time for the purchase order number. Enter a unique identifier here. This serves as a reference both for you and your vendor, simplifying communication and tracking. Next, you'll need to set the expected delivery date. This date indicates when you anticipate the items will arrive, so choose wisely based on your current supply needs and vendor timelines. Similarly, you must select the current date, which marks when the purchase order is officially created. Another critical point to consider is the shipment preference. Whether it's cargo, air, or another mode, enter your preferred method of shipment here. This aids the vendor in processing and fulfilling your order as per your requirements. Once you've filled out all the fields, review your input to ensure there are no errors or omissions. When you're satisfied, you'll have the option to either save as draft or save and send. Saving as a draft allows you to review or edit it later, while save and send will communicate the order directly to your vendor. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on creating a purchase order in Zoho Books. Follow these steps each time, and you'll streamline your purchasing process like a pro. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.